Dismantling Words, an adventure in advanced English vocabulary. Hello language explorers. Welcome to our new session in the Advanced English Vocabulary series, where we dive into the depths of language and emerge with precious treasures. Today's topic is identifying components of complex words. Our exploration will lead us into the realms of prefixes, root words, and suffixes. But don't worry, by the end of this journey, you'll be equipped to dissect even the most complex words and understand their meaning. Words are like puzzles, composed of smaller pieces that when combined, create a specific meaning. These pieces are the prefixes, root words, and suffixes. Prefixes are added at the beginning of a root word to alter its meaning. For example, in the word unhappy, un is the prefix which turns the root word happy into its opposite. The root word is the primary carrier of meaning in a word. In our example, happy is the root word. Suffixes are attached at the end of a root word to modify its meaning or indicate its part of speech. For instance, in happiness, ness is a suffix that turns the adjective happy into a noun. By recognizing these components, we can analyze complex words and break them down into understandable parts. Now, let's dive into the practical aspect: how to identify the components in complex words. Let's use disadvantageous as an example. The prefix is dis, which generally gives a negative meaning to words. The root word is advantage, which denotes a beneficial condition or circumstance. The suffix is -use, often used to transform words into adjectives. So, we can understand disadvantageous as referring to something that is not beneficial. Remember, a complex word might contain more than one root word, prefix, or suffix. The key is to start from the outer layers, prefixes and suffixes, and move inwards. Let's practice this approach with some more words. 1. Misinterpretation. 2. Prefix, mis, wrong. 3. Root word, interpret. 4. Suffix, ation, process. 5. Undeniable. 6. Prefix, not. 7. Root word, deny. 8. Suffix, able, capable of. 9. Prejudice. 10. Prefix, pre, before. 11. Root word, judge. 12. Suffix, none. How did you fare? The more you practice, the quicker and more accurate you'll become at recognizing these components. We've come to the end of our journey into the core of complex words. Hopefully, you now have a better grasp of how to identify prefixes, root words, and suffixes. As we wrap up, remember that the world of words is wide and wild. Don't be afraid to explore it. Your new skills will light your way. Happy word hunting, language explorers. See you in our next adventure.